Conquer the wild with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Ever dreamed of diving deep into the ocean while keeping track of your heart's rhythm? Say hello to the Apple Watch Ultra 2, renewed and ready for adventure. With a sleek 49mm black titanium case and a standout green Alpine loop, this is no ordinary smartwatch. It's designed for the daredevils, the mountain climbers, and the deep-sea explorers among us. Just imagine, you're out in the wild, away from it all, yet each heartbeat, each step, is logged like a personal journal on your wrist. We're talking water resistance up to 100 meters, GPS plus cellular for those who love the solo trekking, and a battery that won't quit before you do. How's that for a workout, buddy? Healthcare geek or just health conscious? This watch has you covered with ECG and fall detection. It's like having a personal medic right at your side. And let's not forget, this is renewed. That means prime quality at a discount, all backed by a warranty. Curious to make it yours? Dive into the link below and discover a smartwatch that promises more than just timekeeping. It promises adventure.